The past simple tense. What is the past simple tense? We use the past simple to talk about finished action in the past. Form, regular verb, add ed. Work, worked. Play, played. Start, started. Irregular verbs have their own forms. Go, went. See, saw. Buy, bought. Take, took. Positive sentence structure, subject plus verb, past form. Examples: I visited my grandparents yesterday. She watched a movie last night. We went to the beach last weekend. Negative sentences, structure, subject plus didn't plus base verb. For example, I didn't eat breakfast this morning. He didn't go to work yesterday. They didn't play football last Sunday. Use the base form after didn't. Questions. Structure D plus subject plus verb. For example, did you watch the new movie? Did she call you last night? Did they finish the project on time? Short answers: yes, I did. No, I didn't. Time expression. We often use yesterday, last week, last month, 2 days ago, in 2020, on Monday. For example, I moved to this city 2 years ago. She started her job last month. They met in 2021. Spelling tips. Play, played. Like, liked. Study, studied. Stop, stopped. Practice sentences. She bought a new dress last weekend. I learned to swim when I was 6. He didn't see the message. They didn't come to the meeting. Did you sleep well last night? Did your parents travel abroad last year? Tip: always use past simple when the time is clear and the action is finished. Simple past tense examples to show complete actions. The past simple describe an action that happened in the past and it's finished and completed. Sarah went to market yesterday. My husband cooked dinner yesterday. We saw a movie yesterday. Last year, I traveled to USA. She washed the dishes. My sister bought a dress for me. Simple past tense examples to show a time in the past. Past simple means action that have already happened and the duration of the action in which started and got completed. Samuel stayed in LA for 3 years. She learned how to play the piano 2 months ago. My brothers waited hours at the bus stop. She chatted to her sister for 2 hours on the phone. My uncle came to our house last year. Simple past tense example to denote the habit of the past. A habit that once started in the past but also ended in the past. He played football when he was young. She worked as a babysitter while she was in college. Did you go to the zoo when you were a kid? He learned riding horse when he was 5 years old. She used to dance when she was in school. Simple past tense examples to show past event or facts. Events or facts that have happened in the past and are no longer valid. She loved candies when she was a child. He didn't have toys as a child. People wrote letters to communicate in the past. He wasn't a big fan of music when he was in school. Thank you for watching.